Alright, now we're out. Take off your helmet. Clip your helmet on the inner handles, meaning between both of you. Alright? Clip your helmet on the inner handles between both of you. That way you could see it if it falls. Alright? Not on outside on the inner handles. You can put your butts down, you're good.
So yeah, I mean, is it must we take the helmet off?
No, you don't have to. No, give me the option. You can this way it is in the cave. If somebody wants to splash themselves or enjoy the sunlight, you could definitely go ahead. It's optional. Yeah, but if you want to take off your helmet, clip it in the inner handles, clip right here so you don't lose it. Okay. Clip it in, yeah. If you take it out, clip it in. Because you can want what is fresh, you could always splash yourself, alright? It's all fresh water, it's not salt, it's not brackish, it's all fresh water. Oh, I feel good. Peaceful, right?
Yeah.
This is my office. So welcome to my office, guys. I know you have some nice air-conditioned office. This is what mine looks like. The scene change different time of the air, but this is what my office looks like.
Not on the van,
Well, now this. I drove to my office. Remember, you guys drive to your office, right? This is not your office. You drive to your office. So this is my office. This is where I work. Remember, if you get too warm, splash the water is fresh. It won't do you any harm. All fresh water. Remember your handle? If your eyes are good enough, you can look in the water and you see some fishes. You're near the rocks. You're about this
River
size.
floating in Belize.
But they're pretty much looking like the rocks.
River floating in Belize.
You know, maybe all the way to the bottom of the river, looking just like the rocks. This is how I drive my truck. Get you out here. Young at heart, we're not bunch of kids. We don't say old, we're young at heart, right? We remember this tree up here. The sapodilla tree. Anybody knows about that tree on the left? Tall tree. We took this up in this tree, we knocked it back the tree. All down to the base of it, the bottom, and we took the sap from that tree and we've been boiled. What did we do with it? No idea?
Big bag, bro.
Hell no, man. The eggs of iguana works for that very well.
Okay.
The eggs of iguana. Anything else? We'll ship it to the United States. Come on.
Medicine?
Nope. If I give you the clue, you're going to get it so easy.
Oh. That's great.
Illegal? No. It's not marijuana. That doesn't come from food. It's not cocaine. It doesn't come from that either. So it's not illegal.
Can you use it to get high?
Nope. Let me help you. It was before your time. Let me help you. Mr. Wrigley. You remember that guy?
Oh, God.
You don't know Mr. Wrigley? See? There you go, Dad. Tell me again.
Gum.
The gum tree. That's where you get gum from that tree. Now today, let me tell you, back then when you make gum from that tree, it would be better than what you have today. You want to tell me how and why? When you chew a gum, how long? Don't tell me a lot. How long does the flavor last you? Don't say a long time, that's not time. How long? 5 minutes?
Now or before?
Again?
Now or before?
No, we're not talking about
I had no work for that day. I don't even chew gum.
I think it's about a minute or two, I think.
A minute or two.
Yeah, it's not as long as what it used to be though. That's
No, listen carefully.
Yeah, go ahead.
The gum from that tree that I just showed you.
Yeah.
That is the entire day. The flavor, look at me. I'm dead serious. The flavor, that is the entire day.
When you
That's why they don't make any more. No.
of course.
Oh, okay.
Money.
It's all about the money.
Yeah, money. Yeah.
It's all about the money. Okay? No, you guys can say chicle, right? You used that word chicle before?
Chicle, yeah.
Why do you use that word? Let me ask you a question.
Because that's what it's
Why do
named.
you say chicle? That's what you heard there, buddy. There you go. Why do you say chicle? Somebody tell me why.
I thought it was a brand name.
It's a brand name. How if I tell you that's not correct?
That's possible.
Good. The word chicle originated from the people that made it. Let me give an example. If you build a house, what are you called by trade?
A builder.
Another word for builder?
Carpenter.
Good, good. If you fix vehicle, you're called what by trade?
Mechanic.
So the people that took this up from the tree are called chicleros.
Gotcha.
Oh.
The people that does it work is called chicleros. That's where you get the word chicle from.
Oh.
I ain't gonna teach you no more. That's it for today. No more school for you guys, all right? Water is gonna get low. You can see the rock, you can see the water pushing hard. That means raise your treasures. Don't ask me what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, raise it. Raise your treasures. This is where we did the last crossing. Remember the last crossing that we did?
Yes.
That's what they're doing right over there. So that means we're almost back. Keep your treasures up. I'm still driving, don't panic, I'm still driving. Enjoy the fresh water while you can. Until you splash, let me give you time to while it's fresh. The freshness is good. So don't be afraid to splash yourself. Cool you off a little bit. Watching your head cools your entire body down.
Sun feel good.
Now that's it. I'll let you know when. We're up top, we wanted to see the bubbles from here. There. Look, when we raise, the banquet is washed away. Trees and everything comes into the water. When the water gets high again, these will be all the way out in the ocean. Yeah? Sounds crazy, right? It's going to be out in the ocean. Watch it all the way in the ocean. We need to raise the butt when you get there, right? See, he's saying butts up, see, so do. So that's when you need to raise your butts. That's when the rocks want to be a free tattoo. That button massage, you choose what you want. So, if you don't want that free tattoo or the button massage, raise your butts. Don't I didn't tell you. Get all the way up. Good. Stop. Come on, hit the word one more time. And you're good. You can put your butt down for now. For now. Alright. You brought the water, go ahead. Come on, man. Come on, man. They're not doing it right. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. There you go. Look at my tube.
Get you. Got to get you.
That's a dry kill. It's going to be fast and free. Like a small little stuff. Dry kill. That's another one. So we're almost to the end. From here to where those white rocks is, it's the same distance from the rocks to the edge. So enjoy the rest of the water before we leave. So the minerals beside you here in the water. Beside you in the water. So when you get back to the front, you guys are doing zip lining. We're going to do zip lining. Others, you can hang on the front, stop, buy food or whatever until we're finishing the zip line. Then we're going to leave together, alright? Yes, you should, Josh. Josh looks like a Mexican. Go ahead. Encourage him. He's actually supposed to be good to one and like, yeah. He looks like a Mexican. Look at him.
Number one enemy. I should go visit my aunt.
Joshua. So who's your uncle, Joshua? Joshua, what's your name, your uncle? You work in Mexico. Wow, where's your son? Oh crap. Joshua has uncle and sister and son up there now.
Yeah, you're in. Yeah, right. Your sister, maybe.
This is where we did the second crossing. Okay.
Oh,
So right around the corner, that's where this adventure ends. You will see the rope, and so all the tubing ends, okay? He must be talking about chocolate. The little kisses.